Convert temperature. Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. We will do the following calculation. So Fahrenheit is equal to 9 times Celsius divided by 5 plus 32. Or we can write it as F is equal to 9C over 5 plus 32. Then we want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. We will do the following calculation where Celsius is equal to 5 times the Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 9. So it could look like this as C is equal to 5 F minus 32 over 9. So when converting temperatures, we will round to the 10th place. So 1 decimal. Now let's look at an example. Example 1. A temperature reading is 82 degrees Celsius. What is this temperature in Fahrenheit? So we're going to need to use the following formula of Fahrenheit is equal to 9C over 5 plus 32. So Fahrenheit is equal to 9, let's put in 82 over 5 plus 32. So let's get our calculators out. So we have 9 times 82, which is equal to 738. Then we'll divide by 5. So we get 147.6. Then we'll add 32. And this is equal to 179.6 Fahrenheit. And we'll put an F to indicate that it's in Fahrenheit now. So let's do another example. Example 2. A temperature reading is 46.5 degrees Celsius. What is this temperature in Fahrenheit? So to solve this problem, we have Fahrenheit, which is equal to 9C over 5 plus 32. So we will put 9 times 46.5 divided by 5 plus 32. So let's get our calculators out. Then we'll multiply 9 times 46.5 and we get 418.5. Then we will divide by 5 and we're left with 83.7. Then we add 32 and we get 115.7. And this is in Fahrenheit. And this is our temperature in Fahrenheit from Celsius. So let's do another example. Example 3. A temperature reading is 132 degrees Fahrenheit. What is this temperature in Celsius? So this time we're going to need to use a different formula where we have C is equal to 5 Fahrenheit minus 32 over 9. Now, when we calculate this out, let's first put in our numbers. We have 5 and our Fahrenheit of 132 minus 32 over 9. So we'll get our calculators out. The first thing we need to do first is deal with inside the parentheses. So we go 132 minus 32, which is equal to 100. So this becomes 5 times 100 over 9. So we have 100 times 5, which is 500. Then we divide by 9, and we get 55.55. And then we're actually going to round to the nearest tenth. So this is just 55.6 degrees Celsius. So now let's go look at another example. Example 4. A temperature reading is 188.5 degrees Fahrenheit. What is this temperature in Celsius? So once again, we're finding Celsius, so we're going to use this formula. So we're going to plug in this number here. So we get 5, and then parentheses 188.5 minus 32 over 9. So first we'll deal with our parentheses first. So we go 188.5 minus 32, which is 156.5. Then we multiply by 5 and then divide by 9. So multiply by 5, we get 782.5, then divide by 9, and we get 86.9. And then this is in Celsius.